The laptop's not in the frame, is it? I joked about wearing the slippers, but I actually think I have to take them off. Welcome to Plants Not Plastic. Made me think this video is actually going to be harder than I thought. Because there's part of it that is scripted. It's not like I'm just, here's a recipe. But I'm saying welcome to my channel. Hi, I'm Nikita from Plants Not Plastic. I create delicious, inexpensive, simple, and healthy recipes that you can recreate in your own kitchen. But that's how I was planning on saying it for every video except this one.
You've put all these rules on yourself, and I feel like you've made it difficult.
Welcome to Plants Not Plastic. Thanks for clicking. So I am starting this channel because right now with COVID-19, I am home 100% of the time, and I've been wanting to start this channel for a while, but I figured right now makes a lot of sense because there are so many more people trying to look for recipes to make at home rather than eating out. And we're all having to get kind of creative about what food we come up with because grocery shopping is a little bit difficult. So hopefully I can give you some good recipes to make while you're stuck at home and that you can impress your friends with when things go back to normal. If you're wondering about my channel name, Plants Not Plastic, I eat a plant-based diet and practice zero waste minimalism. That means no animal products, no oil, minimal processed foods, and I do things like compost and use a bamboo toothbrush. As for me, I'm Nikita. I am 28 years old. I have been plant-based for 7 years and practicing zero waste minimalism for 4. I live in LA and I have 3 cats. Nothing else personal seems all that important right now, but I really don't think much else is important about me right now. This is basil. This is hazelnut. And this grumpy lady is fettuccine. So on this channel, I plan to share mostly recipes. I may throw in a couple of things here and there about like kitchen tips that I have for zero waste. If you do have a specific interest, let me know and I can make a video about it. I really like acronyms, and I actually came up with one for the 4 elements that every recipe on this channel will have, and that is DISH for delicious, inexpensive, simple, and healthy. The recipes on this channel will be food that you actually want to eat, that you can afford to make with the tools in your kitchen, and that will leave you feeling healthy and satisfied. What I want to avoid on this channel are some things that I have run into myself when going and looking for recipes online, especially ones that are plant-based or vegan, which is that they require specialty ingredients or specialty kitchen tools in order to make them. Or when I make a recipe that I found online and it just doesn't live up to the hype. While I understand that everyone has personal tastes, I tend to find that a lot of plant-based recipes online are glorified salads, meaning like salad with like corn and beans and tahini and sweet potato and like all other kinds of stuff just thrown on top of them, instead of something that's more hearty like chili or salsa with rice and beans, or soups or stews or pasta. Those are the kinds of things that I want to share on this channel. So again, I will always favor recipes that require common ingredients, nothing specialty, that are simple and approachable for a true beginner or for people who are really looking for recipes to make in their own kitchen, as opposed to just watching a cool recipe get made on the internet. They'll all be recipes that you can make with like the normal kitchen gadgets. I think I should go get her down.
No.
And there'll be recipes that you can eat as much as you want of without feeling guilty. Because generally, this is food that I eat myself, and I only want to be recommending food to other people that I actually eat. So I'll do my best to release recipes on a schedule, but I do work full time, so I may not release a video every week. But I definitely understand the need for simple, easy recipes to be able to make to get yourself through the week if you're trying to eat at home and be as healthy as possible. So thanks again, and I will have a recipe for you next time. Bye.